Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to wrap text around a circular image in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to wrap text around a circular image. Firstly, insert a image. Select this picture frame ellipse tool. Then draw this tool, press shift on our keyboard. Then again go back this option and select the place tool. Then choose picture from our file. Now I select this and click open. Then go back again the tool section, select the move tool. Then move the picture on of text. Then click outside of the page. Now we can see we wrap text picture around a circular image very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.